Welcome to JH. Ever wondered where your suitcase goes when the airline decides it likes it more than you do? Unclaimedbaggage.com is the place that sells all that lost loot. Everything from clothes and electronics to jewelry and books. It's basically a secondhand shop for people's forgotten vacations. And the best part is the massive discounts. It's a great way to give lost items a second chance, assuming you don't mind wearing a stranger's vacation shirts. But the real question is this site actually legit or just another internet fever dream? Let's start with their social media presence. They're haunting Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and X. With over 180,000 followers on Instagram, they're clearly doing something right besides just posting pictures of other people's lost socks. A strong online presence usually means they aren't planning to vanish into the night with your credit card info. Then there's the leadership. The current CEO is Brian Owens, who took over from his father, Doyle Owens. They even have a video of the owner, because nothing says, "We're real," like a corporate video that's surprisingly not cringeworthy. It adds a nice layer of transparency and makes the whole operation feel less like a shadowy warehouse and more like a family business. If things go sideways, you aren't just shouting into a void. They provide an email, phone number, physical address, and live chat. Apparently, they actually want to talk to you, which is a bold strategy for a modern company. They even link to their physical store in Alabama and share their Google Maps location. So, if you're really committed, you can drive there and touch the merchandise yourself before buying it. This level of clarity makes the whole shopping experience feel a lot safer than buying a mystery box from a guy in a dark alley. Now let's talk reviews. Their own website is full of glowing praise, because obviously they aren't going to post the ones from angry customers. On Trustpilot, they're sitting at a mediocre 2-star rating, but that's only from 12 people who probably had a bad Tuesday. Over on Facebook, they have over 2,200 reviews, and Reddit seems to agree the place is real. You can snag used devices for $50 to $90, which is a steal if you don't mind a few minor scratches or a little mystery residue. A few users did complain about unresponsive service or items not quite matching the description, but that's the risk you take when you're buying someone else's abandoned property. Here is the final takeaway. Unclaimedbaggage.com appears to be a legit and transparent business that's been around longer than most of your relationships. They're active online, easy to contact, and offer some genuine bargains for the brave. Sure, there's a small chance your new laptop might need a deep clean, but for these prices, it's a credible option for the bargain hunters among us. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you enjoyed this look into the lost and found, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews that won't sugarcoat the truth.